Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a gig on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find switch to selling. Go ahead and click on it to switch to your selling account. And then once you're here, in the top, you're going to find Dashboard, My Business, Growth and Marketing, Analytics, and right here, you're going to find Notifications, Messages, Help and Resources, and lastly, your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it, and then here, you're going to find Switch to Buy-in, Profile if you want to go to your profile. Here, you're going to find Refer to a Friend, Settings, Billing and Payment, and here, you're going to find your language and also your currency. So go ahead and click on profile, and then you're going to be taken to your profile page. So right here, you can edit your profile, you can edit your name and everything else. You can also add a description, add languages, add skills, education, or also edit them. And here in the right, you're going to find your active gigs and also your drafts. As you can see, guys, I still have no active gigs. So if you want to create a new gig, go ahead and click on create, and then you'll be taken to this page. So as you can see, guys, the steps that you need to follow to create your gig is firstly go to overview, then pricing, then description and frequently asked questions, requirements, gallery, and lastly, you need to publish your gig. So here in the first page, you need to add your gig title, your category, and search tag. Once you do that, click on save and continue, and then you will continue to the next step. And this is how you can go to till the last step. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.